Let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever watched an English video and understood almost everything, but when you try to speak English yourself, your mind suddenly went blank? You know the words, you understand the sentences, you even know the grammar, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. If this happens to you, please don't worry, because this is one of the most common problems for English learners all over the world. And the interesting thing is, it doesn't mean your English is bad. Actually, it means your English is better than you think, but you're practicing in the wrong way. Today, I want to explain why this happens and what you can do to fix it. For a long time, I had exactly the same problem. I could watch English YouTube videos, I could understand movies, I could read English books. But when someone asked me a question in English, I felt nervous and slow. Sometimes I even knew the answer in my head, but I couldn't say it. And I kept asking myself one question: why can I understand English but I can't speak it? After a while, I realized something very important. Understanding English and speaking English are two completely different skills. Listening is passive, but speaking is active. When you watch videos, your brain is receiving information, but when you speak, your brain has to create language. That is a complete different process, and most learners spend years receiving English but almost no time producing English. Let me explain this in a very simple way. Imagine someone who watches cooking videos every day. They watch recipes. They watch chef cooking amazing food. They understand the process, right? But they never cook themselves. Will they become a great cook? Of course not, because watching cooking and cooking are not the same. The same thing happens with English. Many learners watch videos, listen to podcasts, read posts, and study grammar, but they don't actually speak. So their brain becomes very good at understanding English, but their speaking ability doesn't grow. The good news is that the solution is actually very simple. You don't need to stop watching English video. You just need to change how you watch them. Instead of watching passively, start watching actively. For example, when you watch a video, pause it sometimes. Repeat what the speaker said. Copy the pronunciation, copy the rhythm. Then try to say the same idea in your own words. Yeah, even if your sentence is simple, even if it's not perfect, just speak, okay? Because speaking badly is always better than staying silent, right? Another thing that helped me a lot was speaking alone. Many learners think they need a partner to practice English, but that is not always true. Sometimes the best practice happens when you are alone. You can talk about your day, you can explain what you're doing, you can describe your environment. For example, you might say, I'm making tea right now. I'm getting ready for my class. Or, the weather is very nice today. These small sentences may look simple, but they train your brain to produce English naturally. And when you do this regularly, speaking becomes easier and easier. Another reason many learners can't speak is confidence. They're afraid of making mistakes. They think their pronunciation is not good enough. They worry that people will judge them. But here is the truth. Every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner, right? They all made mistakes. They all spoke slowly. They all felt uncomfortable at the beginning. The difference is that they kept speaking anyway. And that is exactly what you should do. Yeah. So, if you understand English but you cannot speak it yet, please don't feel discouraged. This is not a sign that you are bad at English. It simply means you need more active practice. Start speaking every day. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Slowly, your brain will become faster. Your confidence will grow and speaking English will feel more natural. Okay? And If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And in my next video, I'm going to share my simple 30-minute English practice routine that helped me improve my fluency. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!